Hi guys, welcome back to Finpact. Let's take a look at some of the interest we are seeing from Saudi Arabia and Aston Martin for Lucid. Last summer, Aston Martin's executive chairman made it clear that Aston Martin is seeking partners for an EV range of cars. He mentioned that Mercedes-Benz, Rivian, and Lucid could be potential sources for the EV platform. Now, there's a high chance Lucid could be the one in the lead. This is because Lucid was previously in discussions with Aston Martin about an EV sports car platform. Car and Drivers reported that the executive chairman of Aston Martin, Lawrence Stroll, was serious and that he was talking to the Saudi Public Investment Fund that has a controlling interest in Lucid. He was also speaking directly to Lucid CEO Peter Rawlinson. Also, guys, it's important to note the Saudi Public Investment Fund is the second largest shareholder of Aston Martin. Now, there were some gains made by the Lucid stock following the speculation that Saudi Arabia's sovereign wealth fund was interested in acquiring Lucid. Now, so far that's not happened, which is why we've seen some of the gains get cancelled out for the Lucid price. That being said, Saudi Arabia is interested in Lucid as they want to aim to go electric, especially given that they are so oil rich that they want to transition over to a more eco-friendly solution for driving. That being said, Saudi Arabia has increased their stake in Lucid. They've increased their position from 1.02 billion shares to 1.11 billion shares. This actually took place during the third quarter. Currently, the LCID stock price is $10.93. The analyst rating consensus, which is an average of all the analyst ratings who have already done the research on Lucid stock, have said it's a moderate buy. This is based on 3 buy ratings, 2 a hold and 1 a sell. The average price target is $12.67, which is a 15.92% upside from where we're at, and this is the 12-month price target. Taking a look at some of the technical analysis, it's pretty neutral when it comes to the oscillators, but when it comes to the moving averages, it's more skewed towards a buy rating. Now, Q4 results will be coming out on February 22nd, so just in 2 days. Now, you've got to understand that they've only recently started production and making sales, so that's why they have had losses when it comes to their earnings. And yes, we can see their revenues increase, but their earnings have been reporting net losses. This is because when it comes to electric vehicle companies, especially when they are in the early stage of growth, the expenses tend to be incredibly high. They have a lot of outlay costs. But over time, as they start making sales, their revenues increase and their costs don't increase as dramatically. They also benefit from economies of scale as time goes on, so their costs do tend to decrease as they ramp up production. People are saying that because of the meaningful increase in production that was seen in Q3, it's likely to result in another meaningful increase in production in Q4. Research also suggests that Lucid's production growth that has had a meaningful increase in Q3 will result in an increase in deliveries in Q4. So analysts are predicting that Lucid Group will report sales of $274 million for the quarter, which would be up 41% versus the previous quarter. This could see an increase in share price and therefore some sell-offs as people take profits. So guys, that's a quick update on Lucid. I'll do another update later this week. I hope this video was helpful, and if you did enjoy this video, hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when I release a video, as a lot of the information is time sensitive. Also, remember, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Remember, investing involves risk and you could lose your capital. So make sure you do your own research and read the disclaimer down below in the description box. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!